In this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be replacing the trunk struts on the Q50S. As you can see, similar to the front, there is a clip that you need to pry off and pull this out, and one on the bottom. It is hinged, but as Tim will demonstrate, the reason that these are going to get replaced are because if you open the hood, or the trunk, my apologies, to a certain extent, it's not going to hold. So if you don't hold it in place or make sure that it's all the way up, it's going to come down on your head, your back, your arm, who knows, maybe even your leg. So we're going to get these replaced. You can see there's actually, I don't know, is that rust? Could be. So either way, these actually pose a little bit of bodily harm, so they're going to be replaced similar to the trunk struts.
Show this difference.
So the body, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So just the body of the new one is actually longer than the factory unit. LiftSupportsDepot.com. I'll just hold it. So unlike the hood, because there are actual metal mechanical hinges here, you should be okay doing this as a one-person project. The only thing that we noticed is we're going to have problems having to force the... You said they were longer, so...
Yeah, so from what I read online, these are about ½ inch longer right here. That's the difference. And all they suggest that you do is disconnect the other side, and the trunk will actually move up a little bit more.
Okay.
Then you can get these on.
Okay. You need to... Do we need two people for this?
Possibly.
All right. We're going to figure out what the best way to do this is, and we'll reenact it once we have it on safely. All right. So if you don't have a small ratchet strap, then you may want to purchase one before starting this project, because the strut is new, it doesn't really compress, and you could put it in a vise, which is probably not safe, and it would damage your plastic on the top and on the bottom. But when you release the pressure, it's just going to open back up. So what we did, or what Tim did, as I only held the trunk open was we attached the bottom first, and then Tim set up the ratchet strap around the strut and then compressed it just enough to press it onto the mount that is connected to the trunk. And then you release the pressure, and then on the driver's side, just a little bit of forward pressure on the trunk was needed to snap it in. And that's it. That's your trunk strut install. And Tim will now demonstrate how the trunk will stay where you put it so that it doesn't fall on your hand or your head. Obviously, once you get lower, it's going to close. But then bringing it up, it opens and it stays open. So again, we'll put the link to the parts in the description. If you use any Amazon links, it does help support the channel. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.